nice and frozen. So let's put it right in there. Okay. Up. And plug in. Turn the lights off so So I've been sitting here for a little bit here at the park, doing some work and things. It's been about an hour, and wow, look at that hair. Anyway, it's been about an hour. So we started the Jackery at 100% with a completely frozen pot pie, took it right out of the freezer. It is now up to 83. It'll turn over to 84 here any second. And the Jackery is down to 80%. This is pretty normal for what I have found. We'll let it go for probably another hour, maybe half hour. I don't know. See what happens when I get hungry. And yeah, we'll see where it sits. All right, I have been working away. It is a little after it's 1:06. The Jackery, let's see. It's down to 64%. Let's get her. Let me go ahead and open this up. I'm kind of hungry. The Jackery is down to 63%. And you can see I've got the probe going straight in there. What are we at? 100 and... Yeah, we're at 135. So I'm gonna call this and say, I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat. It's a little chilly out, but not horrible at all. Bit of a breeze, the clouds. There's this really cool pathway that follows the canal. And give the dog a walk. It's really cool knowing too that just over there, not far away, my van sits, and inside of that van, I've got everything I need. We can stay warm, make food, work, have entertainment. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty proud of what we've built out of an old rundown van. Thank you. He just barely turned a year old.
Sweet dog.
He is such a sweetheart. He's got more energy than
I do. For sure.
Have a nice day. I should have put a hair tie in. Tied my hair up. It's getting in my face. You seriously meet the nicest people too, just out and about. I hear most people, when they talk about taking their lunch breaks and stuff, and they're like, it's always stressful trying to find something to eat and get there and get back and all the things. What do I get to do for my lunch? aside from get my hair everywhere, I get to take my dog for a walk. And see our home that's just right over there. That's nice and toasty warm. The heater's on. Lunch has been cooking. There's just no stress with it. I think that's absolutely amazing. Something a lot of people I don't think realize. It just takes so much stress out.